Meet Gerard and Wynand, two creative minds, one new Lego set. Ah, the feeling of accomplishment. And now, it's time for the fun! Every piece has a story, every set an adventure. But wait, what happens when the fun is over? Little did they know, something's about to happen. Something that affects every Lego lover's world. Dust. Look at what's become of their precious creation. The dust creeps in, settling on every corner, every surface. It looks like it's been abandoned for years. That feathered duster won't help. Nor that ugly, big-ass, astounding vacuum cleaner. My mother watches these videos. Well, look no further! Introducing the Clean My Bricks Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The easiest, safest way to clean your Lego sets. It's compact, powerful, and with its soft, precise suction and mini design, this tiny powerhouse safely removes dirt and dust, so you can keep your creations looking pristine. And it charges with a USB Type-C. Wow! So amazing! And you can also clean your car with it. Wow, it really does everything! Keep your Lego world dust-free and ready for display with Clean My Bricks. Because even your Lego sets deserve a clean sweep.